Now if you install Java on your system, the next step is to check if it's working properly. And the first step to see if you set in path and everything properly, let's see if you are able to access the compiler and the interpreter. So Java C is your compiler. Let's just check what version you have. Perfect, it's 11. And we can also check Java version again, 11. Now there's a JShell that you can use to run commands on the command prompt, and let's see a few commands. Still we just starting with Java, so we're not knowing much commands how to run in Java. Just see a bit about how you can run this JShell. So just write JShell here and it starts the JShell interpreter. Now if you need to print something here, the command is system.out.print, let's say hello. And it says hello. So you don't need to create a class here, you don't need to say public static void main and all this stuff. You can directly write a command here and you can see how things are working. And you can see what all you have done so far on the shell, that is simply a print. If you create a variable here and you done it, if you create a variable without any name, say a string, so it creates a variable says $3. So you can reference this by $3. If I say print $3, I get hello world. So if you don't give a name to a variable, system assigns a name to it. And you can see what all you've done so far. And if you only need to see what variables are in picture, /vars, and you got an X and you got a string $3. If you need to print some sum, if you need to check out what happens when you divide a number with 0, and you get an arithmetic exception. So the first step, you download Java, you install it in some folder, add that folder bin to the path, and then you can check if things are working properly, and then you can run the JShell and run a few commands. Now if you need to exit from this, you can simply say /exit. And if you need to even create a method here, if you need to create a class here, we'll see all that. Since we're not aware of the syntax as of now, let's go step by step and simple. Just run a system.out.print hello on this, and if you get hello on this, you're perfectly fine to run with Java.